Hey there and welcome to this demo of RocketClips. Now RocketClips allows you to create viral clips with just a click, and it's going to add captions to your videos, audio waves, you can add time bars and more. It will automatically generate the most viral parts of your videos. Now to get started, you go to a video. Let's say you want to have this video from YouTube. You copy the URL, you go back to RocketClips, create a new campaign with just a click, you paste your URL in here, and RocketClips will analyze your video. From here you can choose from 32 languages that we are supporting. And once you've done that and you give your video a title, you can choose one of the caption templates that you'd like to add to your video. Now these can be modified later as well. If you only want to add captions to your videos without us clipping your videos, you can select this option as well. And finally, you could choose which time frame you would like to upload. Let's say we want to upload this whole video. We click on Get Clips in a single clip. From here, RocketClips will automatically upload your video to RocketClips, and it will tell you when the video is ready. Once your video is ready, it will be in your dashboard and you can open it. And from here you can see the viral clips that RocketClips has created for you. It has a score here, but you can modify each video. You can play it from here. And if you'd like to export it, you can do that directly here, or you can edit the video. So let's say we want to edit this video. This will open the editor for us. From here, we go from the left top to the bottom here. So let's start with the caption. As you can see here, RocketClips has created multiple parts of the video here, but we can expand that. So when we click on expand here, we can see exactly what RocketClips has used in the video. Now, if you like to add more to your video, you simply select the text that you'd like to add and you click on apply changes. Now this part has been added to your video as well. So from here, when we play the video, you can see the captions have already been applied. So we go from the top to the bottom. So first we decide if we have all the content that we like. Then the next step is the orientation. So you could choose between these three options. We also have landscape, and you can create square videos as well. But let's go with the first option here. Then the next step is the design here. From here you have the different caption styles that you can choose from. So you can always change it at a later point as well. As you can see, it changes on the fly. But you can modify it yourself as well. So here you can enable or disable the subtitles. But you can also change the font. So if you like to have another font, you simply select the other font. You can change the font weight. You can change the font size if you like to have this bigger. The font styles here. And also the text color. So let's say you want to make this font green. You could do that as well. This is the text color. So let me explain a little bit more, because we also have multiple colors in our video. So from here you change all the different settings. You can also change the Y position. So if you like to have it at the top, that's also possible. You can rotate the text, look at this, or maybe you want to rotate it the other side and then move it a little bit up here. And then also the scale. So you could scale it up and rescale it down. Animation, we have different animations that you can choose from. So here you can see that this word is a little bit more transparent. Or you could do it hidden, so the next word is hidden. So when we play the timeline, you can see the words are hidden. You can also fade the words, you can bounce the words, and also you can add a background color as well. So if you like to add a background color, you can do that in here as well. Look at this. We can add strokes, you could change the stroke color. So if you like to have a blue stroke, you can do that. Also the font shadows. The action word animation, so you can pop the words, you can fade the words, slide the words. You just play with this to see the different options. Also the active word background animation, we can pop this, fade this, slide or bounce. So let's set this to pop. And also the active word background color can be changed. So let's put this to yellow. So as you can see, there are so many possibilities to configure your captions. Active words can be changed as well, but in this case we keep that white. And the active word scale, we can also make this bigger. And let's play the video again. So this is possible. By the way, you can also add it over multiple lines here. So you can say I want to have 2 or maybe 3. You could do that as well. So this way you will be able to change the design of your captions. The next cool option is the progress bar. So when you enable the progress bar, you will see the progress bar at the top of your videos. You can make the width a little bit thicker. You can add this to the bottom of your videos, as you can see here. But you can also have it around the video. What that means, so you can zoom out on the timeline here. When the video is to the end of the video, look at the bar here. Let me put it to the end here. You can see here, now it's almost finished here. So you will be able to add these progress bars as well. The next cool option is our audio wave option. So when you enable audio waves here, you will be able to add different audio waves to your video. So let's say you like this white bar here. You go to the start of your video and you play it. As you can see, now we have added audio bars and you can change different colors. And also these audio bars here can be configured. So you could set the wave line color. So let's say you want to make this blue or purple. You can do that in here. Also the wave lines here. So you can say if you want to have more lines, look what happens here. Or you want to have them very big like this, you can change that as well. The wave frequency start index, so when does it start here? The wave frequency, you can change that. The wave numbers, you can change that in here. And also you could mirror the wave. You could change the bar gaps between the waves. The total bar width, so if you want to make it smaller, you can do that. You can change the bar height. So it's very flexible how you can configure this. Also the wave align, you want to have this at the center or maybe at the end, at the bottom of the video. Also we have top, middle and bottom here. And also the border radius. So if you want to have a flat line here, you can do that. You can also make it round like this. Let's play the video. So probably another color here, maybe a little bit more red would be better because it fits the other colors in the video. But you can play with this and you can match it to your style. So the next option is B-roll. I'm going to show you that in another video here. Now B-roll will automatically generate videos for you based on your captions. So when I click on generate B-roll stock, it automatically adds stock videos here to your current videos. You can see the stock footage here. So for example, at the end here, she speaks about the diary. You can see here a calendar in the background. Now, let's say you want to change the B-roll. So for example, here, when we play the video, it is research. You can see here this keyboard. Let's say you want to change this. You can search here for the footage. So this is the footage. We can click on replace and we could say research. You could search for research stock footage. And let's say we want to use one of this footage here. So let's say this, we like this better. This is a research. We can now add that to our video and it will be replaced. Also, you can decide how it comes in. So slide vertical, horizontal, spin, zoom in, zoom out. You can decide how this will pop in like this. You see? So you can also disable B-roll as well. Then the next option is music. RocketClips allows you to add music to your videos as well. You can upload your own music and then you can select it from the list here. Or you can choose from our library of music. And when you play your timeline, you can automatically use this slider to set the volume of the music and you can hear it at the same time. You can also fade out your music here. Now, one of the things that I haven't showed you is the timeline editor. So here we have one slider here where we can zoom into our editor. And we have a layout in here. As you can see, this is a single layout. Now, if we want to change the layout, we can simply click here on change layout, and we can choose here single, or we can say letterboxed. As you can see, now the whole video is in here with a blurred background. So when done, you click on done. But let's say the next screen here, this is an interview. So let's take an extra section of the video. So we go back to the captions here. We want to expand this. And actually, let me show you that in this video. This is a better example to show you. And here you can see a single frame. But when we change this layout here, we can say we want to have this as a 2 frame. What this will do is it allows you to add 2 speakers in your frame. So right now we can drag the video. Look at this, because there are 3 persons in this video. We can say we want to have these 2 people, or maybe you want to have this person in the video as well. Now look at this. Now we have a 2 shot in here, and we click on done. And here we have 1 shot. So let's say we like to add multiple parts. So here we have a 2 shot. Let's say we want to have this as a single shot here, like this. We can move the video around, so we can say, okay, we can also make it bigger if we do not want to have the text at the bottom. We want to have this person in here. Then what you can do is when you've clicked done here, and you want to have the same settings for the next screen, you can also change the layout here, and you can say match next, or match all, or match previous. So when you do match next, that will automatically apply the settings to this screen as well. As you can see, now they are matched. When I click done, it's done. So this way you will be able to copy your settings of one frame to another frame. And once you're done, you click on save and export your video. This will bring you back to your overview of videos, where your videos will be rendering and you can download them from this screen. And that's basically what RocketClips AI is all about.